Decentering men, Oshun and the healing power of beauty. Imagine a world where beauty is no longer controlled by external validation, a world where we as women reclaim our radiance, not for approval, but as an act of power, a world where we understand that our beauty is not just skin deep, it is a sacred force, a healing ritual, a divine connection to self. This is what Oshun understood. She knew that beauty was more than vanity, it was her magic, her sovereignty, her way of aligning with divine energy. And when the world disrespected her, she did not beg for recognition. She turned inward, retreating to the moon and adorned herself in her own light. This is the path of the goddess. This is the path of feminine restoration. Welcome, sacred soul. You have entered the Dark Mother Mystery School, a sanctuary where we unravel the deepest truths of the dark feminine. Who am I? I am Shadow Moon, priestess, oracle, and head mistress of the Sacred Mystery School, a space where we reclaim lost feminine wisdom, honor the divine dark mother, and restore balance to a world that has forgotten its roots. Here, we do not fear the darkness. We embrace it as the source of transformation. If you are ready to awaken, reclaim, and step fully into your power, then you are in the right place. Subscribe to join this journey and let the mysteries unfold before you. Today, we are exploring the transformative power of beauty, not the kind designed to please others, but the kind that heals, empowers, and reconnects us to our divine feminine essence. Oshun did not fight for a seat at the table. She became the temple. She withdrew, not in weakness, but in mastery, using beauty rituals to strengthen her mind, body, and spirit. This is what we will learn today. Chapter 1: Why Beauty is Healing for Women. Beauty is deeply healing for us as women because it connects us to our essence, aligns us with our femininity, and provides a pathway to self love and empowerment. Beauty is not about seeking approval, it is about coming home to ourselves. Connection to feminine energy. Beauty at its core mirrors the essence of the divine feminine. The principles of softness, receptivity, and creativity are inherent in every gesture of adornment, whether it's applying a touch of lipstick or wrapping a vibrant scarf. These acts allow us to step into our feminine power with intentionality. By engaging in beauty rituals, we create sacred moments of self nurturing, pausing to remind ourselves that we are worthy of tenderness. This connection isn't superficial, it's so deep, giving us permission to celebrate our charm without apology. Beauty becomes a portal to authenticity, encouraging us to express who we are at our core. Self expression and identity. Through beauty, we declare our individuality to the world, whether it's bold eye makeup, natural hairstyles, or ornate jewelry. We honor our uniqueness and tell our personal stories. For some, this is also a homage to cultural traditions, a way of carrying the strength of artistry and of those who came before us. Adornment is a form of storytelling, a celebration of life itself. When we embrace beauty as self expression, we are not conforming, we are reclaiming. This create, this creative reclamation ripples into our emotional lives, soothing and empowering us from within. Emotional well-being. There's undeniable magic and beauty rituals that go beyond surface level care. The gentle act of massaging moisturizer onto your skin, for example, can become a grounding moment, a meditation in motion that invites calmness into a hectic day. It is in these small rituals that we affirm a positive relationship with our bodies, replacing self criticism with appreciation. When we enhance our beauty, it's not vanity, it's self recognition. In seeing our own beauty, we remind we excuse me, in seeing our own beauty, we're reminded of our value, boosting our self-esteem in ways that are healing and transformative. This internal shift extends outward, creating a ripple effect that transcends the individual. Deep spiritual connection in many cultures. Beauty is inseparable from spirituality. From painting the body with henna to wearing beads for protection, adornment has always been a way of embodying the sacred. It's not just about looking beautiful, it's about becoming a vessel for divine energy. When we engage in beauty with mindfulness, we tap into this ancient wisdom, allowing ourselves to shine with grace and reverence. These moments of intentional adornment remind us that we too are works of art. This connection to the sacred echoes in the bonds we share with others through beauty. Community and culture, the act of beautifying has historically brought women together, whether sitting in circles braiding hair, applying makeup before a celebration, or exchanging tips and rituals passed down through generations. These moments are deeply healing as they foster connection, understanding, and solidarity. Beauty is also a carrier of cultural identity. It holds the stories, struggles, and triumphs of entire communities. When we celebrate beauty, we honor not just ourselves, but the collective power of women who came before us. Through this collective energy, beauty also becomes a tool for resilience and empowerment. Empowerment through resilience to adorn oneself, especially in the face of adversity, is an act of defiance. It's a proclamation: I am worthy of love, care, and admiration, no matter what. Beauty allows us to rebuild piece by piece after life challenges. By unapologetically embracing our beauty, we resist societal expectations that try to limit us. We reclaim our narratives, showing the world that our beauty is a testament to our resilience and individuality. Oshun's story optimizes this transformative power of beauty, making her an eternal guide for self love. Oshun is an archetype of power. Oshun's radiance and adornment were never about seeking approval. Her beauty was a declaration of serenity, a way of proclaiming, I see myself, I honor myself. When we think of beauty through Oshun's lens, it becomes a revolutionary act of self love. Like Oshun, we remind ourselves that the world, excuse me, like Oshun, we remind ourselves and the world of our worth simply by embracing our inherent brilliance. Excuse me, y'all. You know, I said throughout these videos that I'm probably going to stumble over my words. And here I am stumbling over my words. But I'm not about to re record this. I said that those who are looking for aesthetically pleasing videos, please don't come here. This is not the space for you. This is for the real, the rawness. And I'm human just like each and every one of you. So I'm going to mess up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to excuse myself and then I'm going to start over. Okay. Okay. Back to the teaching. When we think of beauty through Oshun's lens, it becomes a revolutionary act of self love. Like Oshun, we remind ourselves and the world of our worth simply by embracing our inherent brilliance. Oshun adorned herself not for them, but for herself. And when she did, the world had no choice but to remember her worth. Chapter 2: Using Beauty and Self Care to Heal Femininity, Your Inner Child, and Ancestral Lineage. Healing femininity is not weakness, it's a profound source of strength and creativity. By embracing beauty rituals, we can reconnect with the sacred energy and release societal pressures that dictate how femininity should look or feel. Bathing rituals. Submerge yourself in a bath filled with rose petals and jasmine oils as you envision washing away limiting beliefs about femininity. Let the soul, let the soft lighting and floral essence envelop you like a cocoon, symbolizing rebirth and empowerment. Adorning yourself. The simple act of wearing jewelry or dressing in silk becomes transformative. Choose pieces that make you feel radiant. Honor your unique style and connection to beauty. These adornments are not for validation, they are for self expression. Movement and dance. Sensual movements like belly dancing awaken your feminine energy by connecting your body to rhythmic flow. In moving freely and joyfully, you reclaim your inner grace and confidence. As we heal femininity, we also nurture the tender parts of ourselves that stem from childhood, our inner child. Healing the inner child is often where our relationship with beauty begins, whether through playful experiments or the stories we absorb about worthiness. Healing this relationship allows us to rewrite those narratives and embrace joy. Play for creativity. Let makeup, nail art, or a new hairstyle become tools of playful exploration. Choose bold colors or fun designs that spark happiness and remind you of simpler times. Comfort rituals. Invoke nostalgia with scents and visuals tied to childhood memories, like lavender for calm or soft pastels for sweetness. Surround yourself with beauty that brings comfort, as if wrapping your inner child in a warm embrace. Mirror affirmations. Stand before your mirror and speak lovingly to yourself. Imagine nurturing your younger self, filling her with words of encouragement and love. These affirmations remind you of the beauty and strength you've carried all along. As we heal internally, we also reflect on the wisdom and beauty passed down through our lineage. Healing the maternal ancestral line. The beauty rituals of our ancestors are often steeped in love and reverence. Honoring these practices connects us to their strength while releasing inherited pain. Ancestral acknowledgement. Create a sacred altar adorned with candles, heirlooms, or photos of the women in your lineage. Light a candle as an act of remembrance and gratitude for their perseverance and grace. Traditional beauty practices. Embrace remedies passed down through generations, like herbal oils for your skin, nourishing your hair treatments, or soothing teas. These rituals will remind us of the wisdom embedded in our ancestry. Releasing generational pain. During beauty rituals, visualize releasing inherited shame, guilt, or unworthiness tied to femininity. With every gentle touch, affirm your right to embrace your beauty freely and unapologetically. As Oshun reminds us, beauty has always been about reclaiming power and aligning with self love. Chapter 3 Practical self care rituals for healing. Morning beauty ritual. Begin your day in gratitude, starting with a cleanse that feels intentional and sacred. As you apply products, visualize them filling your skin with love, light, and protection. This quiet moment becomes a foundation of self appreciation. Weekly self care indulgence. Dedicate a day to full body care, exfoliation, mask, and deep hydration. During these indulgent moments, reflect on your desires, dreams, and the beauty within. This is a, treat this as a date with your soul. Journaling after rituals. Self care rituals often bring emotions to the surface. Afterward, journal to explore the insights that emerged. Write about how your beauty rituals make you feel, celebrating the healing they inspire. These practices deepen your connection to your radiance, reminding you of your transformative power of beauty. Chapter 4: The Transformative Power of Beauty. Empowerment through beauty. Through beauty, we assert sovereignty over our appearance and reclaim agency. Rituals help us remember that owning our beauty is owning our narrative. This is why society seeks to control feminine beauty, because a woman who sees her own worth becomes unstoppable. Beauty as a celebration of life. Beauty is a way to embrace joy and sensuality unapologetically. Like goddesses Venus and Oshun, our radiance reflects divine forces, love, allure, and grace. In celebrating beauty, we reclaim our right to experience pleasure and enhancement, and also enchantment. Beauty as a portal to the divine feminine. Beauty rituals transcend aesthetics. They become altars of self-love and self-respect. Through intentional care, we honor ourselves as sacred vessels of creativity, strength, and power. Oshun legacy reminds us she did not chase, she did not beg, she simply became. And the world had no choice but to bow in her presence. We are no different. How do you use beauty as self care? Comment below. In closing, I always leave you with a parting message. May the Dark Mother bless you. May your ancestors protect you and guide your steps. May your inner radiance always shine bright. Embrace your power. Embrace dark feminine wisdom. Keep exploring the mysteries, reclaiming your authority, and ascending to new heights. Your journey doesn't end here, it only deepens. Until we gather again, Sacred Soul, this is Shadow Moon, head mistress of the Dark Mother Mystery School, signing off. Class is dismissed.